Okay.
The new Visuo Xs812 with GPS, 5G, Wi-Fi, FPV foldable drone, the new one. I'm gonna show you all the steps before you start to fly. You make your first flight. Every time you should make those steps. First of all, you have to open the arms of the drone. I'm opening the arms of the drone, and in this point I would like to say something to you. When you close the arms, you have to start with the rear arms first to close, and then the front. First the rear arms and then the front, because now it is compact. If you close first the front arms, then it is a little bit bigger. First you have to start with the rear arms to close. Now on the drone, it's on, you see the lights, and then you have to on the, now to bind. Now it's bind. Then you have to bind with Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi of this drone, it is 5G. It's a special one. Is 802.11 AC. This is the protocol. Not all Android telephone have this protocol. You have to see your Android if has this protocol. Okay, now Wi-Fi, here it is. Wi-Fi 720p GPS. What? It is now GPS okay, Wi-Fi okay. Now to open the app, the application. I have to open the application. Just a moment. Everything. It's okay. I don't know if you can see already. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's okay. Everything is okay. We have so far, how many satellites I have? 15 satellites will be locked. 15 satellites will be locked. Everything is working here. So I have now to calibrate the compass. How to do it? To calibrate the compass, you have to hit this button here, and then to make 4 round clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then nose down, and 4, 2, 3, 4. Now all lights are not blinking. That means that compass calibration done. Before you fly, you have to make the gyro calibration. How to do it? Both sticks to the right. This is the gyro calibration. Now I will show you how to start the motors. To start the motors, you have to put both sticks on the motor arm. To unarm the motors, you have to make it upside down, like this. Now motors are stocks. As you can see, it is heavy wind, so I try to fly it a little bit, but the wind is again today it is look the very strong, the wind, very strong. There it's running the motor, not me. There, my goodness, cannot fly with this strong wind car, cannot fly.
Πήγαινε εκεί, κοντά. Return home. Engage the return home. Now engage the return home. It's coming. Return home. Έρχεται. Έρχεται.
Coming down. Nice. It's about, with this strong, with this strong air, it's about 1.5 from the point. No bad, because it's